Hey everyone, welcome back to Choi's Better. Today we have something juicy in store for you, quite literally. We're diving into the world of health and wellness with the best cold-pressed juices of 2024. If you're a juice enthusiast or just looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. We've left a link in the description below. Feel free to click on it for more details and the latest pricing. Number 1. Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer. It's no ordinary juicer, it's a game changer. What sets it apart? Well, let's start with its incredibly quick and easy operation. Juicing has never been this effortless. And the best part? The juice it produces is not just delicious, it's pulp-free. Imagine sipping on pure, flavorful goodness without any unwanted bits. In our recent testing, we were blown away by the impressive yield of juice. The apple and carrot juices were exceptionally sweet, a testament to the quality of this juicer. But that's not all. The Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer boasts a spacious 3.5-inch feed tube that can accommodate whole apples, cutting down your prep time significantly. And for smaller items like carrots, there's a 1.5-inch feed tube. It's all about convenience. What caught our attention during testing was its ability to maintain a room temperature. No need to worry about overheating, just a cool, consistent performance every time you juice. Cleaning up after juicing can be a chore, but not with this juicer. It features nesting juice and pulp cups, making storage a breeze. Plus, the wider pulp gasket ensures that cleaning is easier than ever. Now, here's a feature that got us excited: the citrus attachment. Yes, you heard it right. This cold-pressed juicer can transform into a citrus juicer in no time. It's versatility at its best. So, if you're looking for a juicer that combines efficiency, taste, and ease of use, the Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer might just be your perfect match. Number 2. Ninja Cold Press Pro. The Ninja Cold Press Pro, your compact companion in the world of juicing. With its sleek design and powerful features, this horizontal cold press juicer is set to redefine your juicing experience. What sets the Ninja Cold Press Pro apart is its user-friendly design. A simple one-touch button provides you with the convenience to start, stop, and even reverse the juicing process, all with just a single touch. It's intuitive and hassle-free, making your juicing journey a breeze. And let's talk about affordability. At its price point, the Ninja Cold Press Pro stands out, offering you an excellent value for your money. You get top-notch juicing capabilities without breaking the bank, making it a smart choice for those who want quality without compromise. But that's not all. The compact design of this juicer means you won't have to rearrange your entire kitchen. It fits seamlessly on your countertop and won't hog precious space in your cupboard. Juicing enthusiasts, rejoice! The Ninja Cold Press Pro brings efficiency without sacrificing space. The Ninja Cold Press Pro combines affordability, user-friendly operation, and a compact design, making it a standout choice in the realm of cold-pressed juices. Elevate your juicing game with the Ninja Cold Press Pro, because great juice should be both easy and accessible. Number 3. Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer. The Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a nice choice for someone new to juicing. It's an easy-to-assemble vertical cold-press juicer that is compact in size and doesn't cost too much. You can either feed ingredients through the small hole on top or open the larger feed tube for bigger or multiple ingredients at once. The pulp that was extruded out the other side was bone dry, which means that the juicer is able to extract almost all of the juice from fruits and veggies. This juicer doesn't have a mesh pulp strainer, which makes it easier to clean compared to juicers with mesh strainers, and all removable pieces are top-rack dishwasher safe. Number 4. Huram H101 Easy Clean Masticating Slow Juicer. One of the biggest downsides to juicing is the cleanup. Most models have metal mesh strainers that require diligent scrubbing after every use. But this cold press model is much easier to keep pristine thanks to heavy-duty plastic strainers that have easy-to-clean large vertical grooves. Additionally, the machine has a tilted juicing chamber that uses gravity to pour out more juice, leaving less mess inside for wrangling later. Plus, it's easier to remove fruit and veggie pulp from the juicer thanks to a little trapdoor that allows for even easier cleaning and less digging around the machine to clean it thoroughly. That's not all there is to love. In our lab testing, this model made some of the freshest tasting green juice, and testers loved that you can control the amount of pulp by using the fine or coarse strainer. Whether you like pulpy orange juice or silky smooth cucumber juice, we found the juice to be very tasty. Number 5. Omega Cold Press Juicer. Omega JC 2022 GY11 Cold Press Juicer is a newer model from Omega which makes batch juicing for your meal prep even easier. It features an extra large hopper that requires minimal prep. You can fill the hopper with a bunch of fruit and veggies and then let the juicer self-feed. There is also a 60-second memory feature which helps the model remember the rotation and operation that was last used, for example if you're juicing a bunch of carrots. There is also a safety mechanism where the juicer makes a noise when the lid is open and it automatically shuts off so you don't hurt your fingers. We also appreciated how easy this juicer was to put together and that it comes with minimal pieces for easy storage. And that wraps up our journey through the best cold pressed juices of 2024. I hope you found the perfect juicer to suit your needs. Remember, a healthier lifestyle is just a sip away. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite juicing tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Choice Better for more in-depth reviews and helpful guides.